Another one! Another tornado watch!
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 8, effective until
Now it's number 8.
Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Alabama, Coosa, and St. Clair. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area.
Cooking my hot dogs.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 8 has been issued until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Alabama, Coosa, and St. Clair.